how to enable or disable integrated graphics in Windows 11. Many modern Windows 11 computers come with more than one graphics processor. Alongside a dedicated graphics card, most systems also include an integrated GPU, often built directly into the CPU by Intel or AMD. In this video, we'll walk through the different ways to enable or disable integrated graphics in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is an integrated GPU? Integrated graphics play an important role in managing power efficiency, display output, and overall system compatibility. Depending on your setup, you may want to disable it to reduce driver conflicts or simplify GPU management. In other cases, keeping it enabled can improve battery life or support additional display outputs. Prerequisites before managing integrated graphics. Before making any changes, keep these requirements in mind. Administrative privileges are required to modify system or firmware settings. Access to the BIOS or UEFI firmware is required for full hardware control. Most importantly, verify your display connections. If your monitor is connected to a port powered by the integrated GPU, disabling it could result in a blank screen. Always confirm that your display cable is connected to the correct GPU output. How to enable or disable integrated graphics in Windows 11. The most reliable way to fully enable or disable the integrated GPU is through the BIOS or UEFI firmware. First, restart your computer. During boot, enter the BIOS or UEFI, commonly by pressing Delete, F2, or Escape. Then navigate to sections labeled Advanced, Chipset, or Northbridge. The exact menu name will vary depending on your manufacturer. Look for settings such as Integrated Graphics, Internal Graphics, or iGPU. From there, set the option to enabled or disabled. Save your changes and exit the BIOS or UEFI, usually by pressing F10. If BIOS access isn't available, or if the firmware method didn't work, you can manage the integrated GPU through Device Manager. However, only use this method if your system has a dedicated GPU, since disabling the only GPU can result in loss of video output. Press Win+X and select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section and locate the integrated GPU. Right-click the device and choose Disable Device. Keep in mind that this only disables the GPU within Windows and does not prevent it from initializing during system startup. To re-enable it, return to Device Manager and select Enable Device. Lastly, for advanced users or administrators, PowerShell can be used to query GPU devices and optionally disable them through scripting. Just run this command to list all display adapters. Or run this one to disable a specific GPU. Replace hardware ID with the exact identifier from the list command, and make sure the GPU you're disabling isn't the primary one currently in use. In the end, managing integrated graphics in Windows 11 can help optimize performance, reduce conflicts, and tailor device behavior. Use BIOS or UEFI for full hardware control, Device Manager for temporary OS level adjustments, and PowerShell only when necessary. For more information, check out our official blog post on enabling or disabling integrated graphics, linked in the description below.